Hello, this is Mandy with Scott Leroy Marketing. I'd like to show you today how to reschedule a task. So first, let's go over to our Tasks tab on the left-hand menu, and you can reschedule an individual task, but you can also do this in bulk. There's just one limitation. So let me show you both ways. First, let's go ahead and reschedule a date, the due date for an individual task. So let's just choose this first guy right here. You can come over to the right. You'll see three dots or ellipses right here. Go ahead and click that and choose reschedule. This will allow you to not only choose a specific date and time, like on a calendar date, but you can actually choose a time interval just by extending the existing due date by a certain number of days. You also can choose no due date if you want to as well. We'll actually go ahead and choose extend by a certain number of days just to show you this. So you can bump it up. Let's say we want to give ourselves about 2 more weeks on this task and then click reschedule. You'll see a green banner showing you that that has been successfully done, and kind of notice that it actually disappeared off the top of our list here because we have it sorted by past due date and it got extended. So all is well. Now, to do this with multiple tasks at once, you would just select the tasks that you want to adjust the due date on and come down here to the bottom to reschedule right here. Notice that our options are very different. No longer can we choose no due date. We also cannot choose that time interval just to extend the existing due date by a certain number of days. When you choose multiple tasks to adjust the due date on at once, it will only let you choose a specific calendar day and a specific calendar time. So we'll go here and actually choose to move it up to the 25th. And so from here, we'll go ahead and choose reschedule. You'll see that green banner at the top, and now that has been rescheduled for that future date. If you have any questions about this or anything to do with your KW platforms, please feel free to reach out to us via email. Our email address is support@scottleroymarketing.com, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.